they need to try to force a referendum. Our morning news reporter Tanya Brady has been riding outside Vancouver here with more. Tanya, what's so special about this problem?
Well, Vancouver Langara is one of two ridings in the province where opponents of the HSC have not yet collected enough signatures for their petition. The other riding is Richmond East. Now, to be successful, organizers of this petition have to collect the signatures of 10% of all registered voters in all 85 of the province's ridings. So far, they've done that in 83 ridings, so just 2 to go. They're very close. The deadline is July 5th, and organizers are quite confident that they'll get enough signatures by then. We did speak with some voters in Vancouver Langara this morning who say they're ready to sign up.
It puts a lot of pressure on especially middle-class people, which is like the majority, and I feel that it's not fair. It's not fair at all.
Kind of makes me want to move to some other province because, well, I haven't moved out yet.